Welcome. The City of Dallas Planning and Development Department invites you to learn about Senate Bill 840. In this brief overview, you'll learn what SB 840 is, the key updates it introduces, and how you may be able to use it in your next development project within the City of Dallas. Senate Bill 840 or SB 840 states that certain Texas cities, including Dallas, cannot prohibit the development of multifamily housing in zoning designations that permit commercial activities, such as retail and office. The law also addresses the city's ability to regulate certain standards, such as density, parking, setbacks, floor area, and height in these areas. The purpose of Texas Senate Bill 840 is intended to address the state's housing shortage by, first, allowing mixed-use residential and multifamily residential development in more zoning districts. Second, limiting development regulations for these projects in general. And finally, streamlining the permitting process for the conversion of commercial buildings to mixed-use residential and multifamily residential occupancy. SB 840 requires the city to allow mixed-use and multifamily residential projects by right in districts that permit office, commercial, retail, or warehouse uses, including many commercial and office areas. By right means no zoning change or discretionary approval is required. Exclusions apply to heavy industrial areas, properties near heavy industrial uses, airports or military bases, and designated clear or accident potential zones. Let's review the pre-application process. You can use the pre-application screening form to determine if your project qualifies under Senate Bill 840. On this slide, you'll see a flowchart for the pre-application screening process for determining eligibility. Start by asking, does your proposed project include 3 or more residential units on an established building site? If the answer is no, pre-application screening for SB 840 is not required, and you may proceed directly to permitting. If the answer is yes, the next step is to confirm whether the existing zoning allows multifamily or mixed-use residential development. Depending on your answers, pre-application screening may be required to determine applicability of SB 840. If screening is required, you'll complete 3 steps. First, submit a request using the form on the State Laws Information webpage. Second, participate in an enhanced consultation with the SB 840 screening team. Staff will contact you to coordinate this meeting. And third, if applicable, receive an official determination letter regarding SB 840 eligibility. Once eligibility is confirmed, developers may proceed to permitting and must ensure the appropriate SB 840 options are selected in Dallas now. In some cases, a 1,000-foot distance survey may be required unless it is waived by an official determination letter. Please also note that standard building site requirements and development regulations still apply unless specifically waived in your determination letter. Now that you have reviewed SB 840, we want you to know that we have resources available. You can scan the QR code to go to our website. You will find full details about Senate Bill 840. You can also go to dallascityhall.com. Click on Zoning, then Pre-Development under Resources. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our next video in this series. Remember, we're here to help.